Do you really need a Portuguese accountant? The answer depends on what you are doing in Portugal. If you are an employee with a relatively straightforward tax return, you may be able to file your Portuguese personal income tax return yourself. But that does not mean professional advice is unnecessary. Foreign income, investments, rental property, capital gains, pensions, tax treaties, and changes of tax residence can make a return much more complex. If you are self-employed, the answer depends on your tax regime and the scale of your activity. Many independent professionals are covered by the simplified regime, provided they meet the legal conditions and have not opted for organized accounting. Under the current rules, the simplified regime generally applies when annual gross Category B income does not exceed €200,000. However, self-employed taxpayers who are outside the simplified regime must use organized accounting. In that situation, professional accounting support is not just convenient, it is part of the legal framework. For companies, the position is clearer. Portuguese commercial companies and other entities carrying on business activities are required to maintain organized accounting. This normally involves a certified accountant responsible for the accounting and tax compliance of the entity. So, when is an accountant strongly recommended, even where not strictly mandatory? When you earn income in more than one country, own rental property, receive dividends or capital gains, run a business, hire workers, charge VAT, change tax residence, or are unsure how a tax treaty applies. A good accountant should not merely submit forms. They should explain your obligations, identify deadlines, help you organize evidence, and warn you before a problem becomes expensive. The real question is not only, do I legally need an accountant? It is also, what is the cost of getting this wrong? This video provides general information and is not personalized tax advice. For practical courses and tools about Portuguese tax and accounting, visit CL4 Training.